Hello everybody, welcome back to Fabioulous Pizza. If you are watching this video, chances are your pizza got stuck on your peel when you try to slide it in the oven. If this sounds like you, then keep watching and I will show you how to avoid this problem. Before we move to the worktop, please consider supporting me. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, binge watch all my videos 10 times, find me on Instagram and on Facebook, etc, 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 etc. Now let me show you how to use your tool of choice, be it a paddle like this one. It's an average non-expensive item, or maybe a peel, a cardboard, whatever you want. Okay, we stretch our base always on a flour surface. Here I'm using some corn flour. You can also use semolina or even regular wheat flour when you became more confident and you practiced enough. Now we are ready to put the toppings. In this case I will make a simple margherita, tomato and mozzarella. Like I said, preparing your pizza on the paddle is kind of risky, and this is why I'm using the worktop. You see, the pizza is easy to move because of the flour underneath. I will take advantage of this. We sprinkle more flour on the paddle and we simply slide the pizza on top of the paddle. Like this, our pizza will have no time to stick. It will be seconds before we unload it. Like this, nice and easy. Let's do it again. Nice and easy. The main takeaway here is prepare your pizza on your worktop, do not prepare it on the paddle. This may become a problem because by the time we put all the toppings on, the pizza sticks.